folks, I have a little Alto to show you. This is number 792. The back and sides are Sycamore. And when I worked at my MOA, we did a lot of Sycamore instruments, but people haven't been asking me for it in the last 5 years. And I don't know why, because it looks and sounds very nice. It's a domestic wood. It's got cool grain. It's easy to get, easy to work. And in this case, it's got a Orford Cedar top with it. And we did some amber tint to it, which is kind of nice to do in the white colored woods. It just ages it 10 years in one day, which kind of looks nice. It's got a fir and maple neck, pistachio for the rest, and some nice rope binding. It's strung high G. It's a good instrument. It's lightweight. It's solid. I think the Orford Cedar and Sycamore give it a crisp sound. Yeah, it just feels vibrant and crisp. I'm really pleased with it. It's got some extra big side dots to help with vision, and I hope Don likes it. So that's 792. Cheers.